This is the famous revolutionary Gamma Plus Xcell dryer, and today after heavy salon usage, it is having a minor issue. Go ahead and turn it on quickly. It is only blowing cold air. Turn it off. So what's happening inside of here is some type of dirt, debris, hair, something has gotten inside of the thermostat, and as a safety function, the dryer is shutting off the hot air feature. So there's a quick and easy fix to this, and it's very logical. We have to just dislodge whatever is inside the thermostat. So all we're gonna do is take a towel, put it on a hard surface. It does have to be a hard surface. Take the Xcell dryer and tap it very, very firmly on the ground or a hard surface. Turn it back on. Still cold air. So what that means now, we got to tap it a little bit harder. So it's very durable, super well made, but please be kind. Turn it back on and we have hot air. And actually, I just felt a little piece of debris fly out of the dryer. So this is the fix for the Gamma Plus Xcell cold air issue if it is occurring.